Aside from the all-new E-Class, Mercedes-Benz also surprised us with the new GLC350e. Let's check it out. The GLC350e 4MATIC AMG line is locally assembled and will replace the GLC300. It will now be the only GLC model available in Malaysia, priced at 398,000 ringgit. Like the C350e and the newly launched E350e, it shares the same 2-litre engine with an electric motor. It makes 313 horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque, allowing it to go from 0 to 100 in 6.7 seconds to a top speed of 218 kilometers an hour. The GLC350e's 31 kWh battery means it can travel up to 130 kilometers using purely its electric power. The GLC can only take AC charging up to 11 kilowatts. Because it's only a small 31 kWh battery, a full charge takes just 2 hours. The GLC350e looks almost identical to the GLC300 inside and out, except the boot. Because it's carrying batteries, the boot is just under 500 litres, compared to the 600 litres in the GLC300. Still lots of space, but there's now a little slope at the end of the boot. The GLC350e is now equipped with the full Driving Assistance Package Plus for functions like adaptive cruise control, autonomous braking, lane centering assist, front and rear cross-traffic alert, and braking. So what do you think? Would you get the GLC300 or this, the 350e? Let me know in the comments. For more information on the GLC350e, do log on to AutoBuzz.my.